Welcome to this month's newsletter. Today is March 4th. Looking at the Nifty on a weekly basis, we are sitting on the Kijun. We are above the Ichimoku cloud. So we are bullish on the weekly. We do have support here. Looking at the daily. Here's the daily chart. We are breaking down below the clouds at this point, but the Chicago has not confirmed. So you really don't want to short it, but if you do short it, you need to realize that you are facing support right here around this level, and that you're weekly bullish. So it's possible that they could come back down and test this level, but again, and after failing at the 50-day moving average. So if in case you do short it on below the lows here, you definitely don't want to see any trading back up above the cloud. If it goes back into the cloud, you need to get out of the position. Looking at Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is at the support level here, 200-day moving average, and also this span B support level, Kumo shadow level from back here. Also keep in mind that this is strong support. If I draw a line here, notice how many times you have it's been resistance before, it's been support here, support back here, support here, support here, and also it's going to coincide with the support of the 200-day moving average. So I wouldn't be wanting to short this one as yet. If they do close this below the 200-day moving average, that might give you some incentive to short towards the 50-week moving average here. Just watch out for support candles, these candles supporting the Chicago. So again, these are not clear-cut charts. You do have to watch the support and resistances on the daily and the weekly both. Make sure that the risk reward justifies it. Looking at some bigger stocks, L&T. L&T is in a cloud. Don't want to really do anything with this one yet. If they break it below the cloud, there might be a potential to go up to this support level. So you might get a small play there. Nothing big. But yeah, you definitely don't want to be long at this point with the Chicago below the candles and in the cloud. Okay, Reliance. Reliance is looking bullish here. If the Chicago can get out of these candles sometime somewhere around the 980 level, if they can break it through that, you might be able to make a next run. Right now it is at resistance, so you definitely want to see it above the 980, preferably above the 1000 level. Sale has good support around this level of 75 or around there, 75. This whole zone actually. Instead of drawing a line, you could probably just draw a zone. So this whole zone can provide support for it. So there's not much to play here. So I would avoid sale at this point. Lupin. Lupin, if they can break below these lows, that might be a good shorting opportunity on the downside. So that's a good play on the short side. And let's look at one more, Tata Steel. Nothing yet in Tata Steel either. It is supporting on the 200-week moving average. If I look at the weekly charts, Chicago is going to bump into these candles. So there's, again, I would avoid this chart. It is in a no man's land. It is above the Kumo on the weekly, but below the Tenkan and the Kijun here. So as I call, this is a no man's land. So you definitely don't have too much play to the upside or to the downside. So a lot of stocks in this same scenario, just given the condition of the market. So best to wait it out unless there is a very clear-cut chart. That'll be it.